welcome back to the channel. Got some friends over here today. Got my Hellcat right here. Got the Jeep, wife's Jeep. We got the 392. My boy Jeremy's 392. I'll put his Instagram link in the video. We got a Hellcat Charger. Follow him at ChargeCat707. Real slow car. We might race later. We'll see. And we got the other. I only have friends that drive Dodges. You got another Hellcat Challenger. All right, got the GoPro mount set up on the car. Got my buddies here. I'm not sure what we're gonna get into, but we might just ride out, do a little cruise. We won't know yet. It's a nice day out, got a little cloud cover, but make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, share. We're gonna have a big build coming up starting next week, next Tuesday. We're gonna be doing some dyno tunes. We're gonna do the baseline for you so we can actually see what the baseline on my Hellcat is. So see if it's above that 650 mark. Hopefully it is, but like I said, we'll do raw footage for you guys. I'll post it up. We'll have a good time. Comment below if you guys want to see anything specific. That's all I got for you. Peace. Got all the cars out tonight. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like I said, please subscribe below if you want to see more stuff coming for the Hellcat. Many more things, not only to my Hellcat, but my buddy's cars. A lot of modifications coming. I think, like I said before in previous video, if you are in the Oklahoma City area, please comment below if you want to link up. let's do a review, let's do a cruise. I'm excited about this channel. From last video, I think I got a few more subscribers. Like I said, this channel is going up, so many more to come. Looking forward to meeting some of you guys later. I will be at Cars and Coffee. I'll be at Thunder Valley, dropping some time in this Hellcat. So like I said, if you see me on the streets, say hello. I'll be glad to meet up with you guys. All right, until next time, peace.